Here, sa Dalang Club's Leisure Park, Naik Cavite, the home of sports of kings where racing is always at its best. Only one entry. So lucky. Last call. All set now, ready to race race number 1. Good luck on your first set of your winner take all. The favorite, Superior Joe. And the race on is a jump start beginning for the favorite Superior Joe. Dr. Jaden on the outside is so lucky. Barbie down on the inside is Pekat. Handsome match play. And Strike at Sunrise is running at the tail of the field. Superior Joe by Anek. Pekat running by Dral. Dr. Jaden is racing in third, moving up his handsome Barbie. So lucky match play and Strike at Sunrise is still running at the back of the pack. And rounding the far turn, Superior Joe Pekat handsome is on the outside. Dr. Jaden Barbie. So lucky match play and Strike at Sunrise is still bring up the rear. It's now handsome pokes his nose on the outside. Superior Joe, Dr. Jaden on the further outside, and by the Spay Cut as they race the final corner. Superior Joe, handsome Dr. Jaden is on the outside. Superior Joe, Dr. Jaden on the outside to grab the red. It's now Dr. Jaden and Superior Joe, and finally Dr. Jaden. So lucky, Superior Joe, handsome hand.
Mukhang dihado agad yung unang tumid sa linya. Kalahok numero 6. Siguro mga 4 choice lamang ito, si Dr. Jaden.